Hello guys, I am Alex Lutsayev and I'm here to introduce you to a new product for the stock market. It is developed by DataTrading company and it uses artificial intelligence to pick up stocks for you. So let's take a look. You can get your hands on by going to alpha.data-trading.com. The first page looks like this. It has a visualization tool and it has a list of stocks. The first thing you do, you see it uses exchanges that are NASDAQ and NYSE, and stocks from there. In the future there will be more exchanges. Right now we're using these two. Later we'll show you how, I'm going to show you how this visualization tool works. As you can see, you can set it up many different ways. It will display various information based on your settings. For now, we decided that we're gonna use sectors as our outer circle, and we'll group by sectors, and then we'll have industries within those groups. So as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and switch to consumer services, and it shows me that most of the stocks in consumer services sector fall into this category, and then we see industries within the sector like building materials and furnishings. In some cases, as you can see, stocks from consumer services sector may fall into category like, for instance, real estate. Don't worry about it, because it's quite typical for a particular company to be more than just one industry. So that is how we display it. So now I'm going to go ahead and select technology sector and then professional services within the sector. I see that based on my selection, the system provides me with a list of 2 pages long of several stocks that fall into actually a number of different sectors, but that's okay. They're all professional services industry. Now we're going to go ahead and take a closer look at it. As you can see, I'm on the screener page, and from here I can click on each particular stock, get a chart on it, switch between monthly data and quarterly and annual data. Of course I can close it. If I want to play with a screener, I need to go into history, which I am right now in the year 2017, August the 15th. At this point in time, our system that used artificial intelligence just issued several ratings for the companies. I'm going to say a few words about artificial intelligence, because this is where we separate ourselves from the rest of companies that provide traders and portfolio managers with various types of screeners. In our case, we rely primarily on artificial intelligence that uses machine learning techniques and fundamental analysis. We don't do technical analysis. We don't use technical indicators in our screener, and this is how we pride ourselves to stand out from the rest of the crowd. What else can I say about it? Well, AI score uses industry standard for valuing different stocks, so it issues ratings from strong sell, to hold, to buy, to strong buy, which is quite usual stuff. However, unlike the rest, we use our own in-house built technique called breakout. And breakout points towards up or down, so both ways, but the idea, the premise behind breakout is the situations when a particular stock starts to behave in an unusual manner. So let's say it acted with the rest of the crowd, and now you gotta watch out, because it's gonna be somewhat different. It's hard to say which way it's gonna go, but it typically indicates that the behavior has changed, and therefore you should look closer. It's a specific mark on a stock that says this behavior is different, and it should be followed closely. Now I'm gonna go ahead and look at the few stocks that have ratings, have indicators of breakout. So first one is K-Force, and its technology professional services. Now I'm going to go and take a look at a different stock. It goes by ticker AMAG. It's in healthcare, major pharmaceuticals. It has a rating of strong buy. So let's see if we got it right, and it looks like we did. The date of observation, stock went down, but the rating we issued was a strong buy. So if you decided to follow it, well, I guess it was a pretty hefty return, because it seems like it eventually reached price target of $20 per share on somewhere in the middle of September. So based on the data we have, this is as much as it went up, but well, sure, the rating was issued properly. So a few more examples. Now I'm going to go ahead and select oil and gas production industry and pull data from that cluster. And here we see a list of stocks, and I'm going to go ahead and see if on the 21st of August 2017, some of the ratings we issued were correct. So for instance, if I go and pull that MTR, ticker Mesa Royalty Trust stock, which says buy, I'm interested to know whether my screener was correct, and it seems like it was. So if I'm going to switch to a more a larger chart, I see that we started somewhere around 12-ish maybe, and went up to 14, close to 14. So that's a hefty return. So this is how it really works. And in some spots you see that there was no rating, and this is because we are still in alpha version, and some of the features have been so to speak tested and to be added in the future releases. We also plan to add more of fundamental data like PE ratios and whatnot, and various type of ratios, and it will make our screener look more like the rest from the industry. But we started with AI score, and this is our own feature. We're very proud of it, and wanted to share with you guys. And also I want to say that we have Portfolio Manager. Portfolio Manager, when combined with Screener, produces very powerful results. And if you want to get your hands on and see how it works and what it can do for you, please go ahead and authorize. I'm going to go ahead and cover Portfolio Manager, how it works, what it does for you, in my next video. For now, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in video 2.